Morning guys. Medyo mainit ngayon dito sa Quezon, kaya naisipan kong mag swimming. Ligo tayo sa falls.
When I look around at the way things are going on, then I say to myself, how grateful we should be for everything that we have. Not anything we could not get. Put a smile on every face that we meet, for everybody hurts one way somehow, but we can make it if we work together. Live a
Wala
life
pang 5 minutes,
for one
nasa Balubog na tayo.
another. What a lovely day.
Nakikiligo.
What a lovely day to be right next to you.
So, hindi na ako pinagbayad dun sa gate kasi pakilala.
Around to the sounds of my community, I heard people say, word on the streets, things are falling apart, and I know we got to make another start. But I can't worry now, 'cause I know we all have a part to play, and I'm thankful to share with you the magic of today. What a lovely day. What
Yan tayo. Meron pang isang layer ng falls. Ang hagdan naman dito, hindi kayo mahihirapan. Parang kaya naman. Ito na ang falls!
What a lovely day. What a lovely day.
Sobrang ganda ng nilikha ng Diyos. At tayo bilang bahagi ng nilikha, dapat maging tagapangalaga ng kagandahan ito. Manatilihin, kalinisan, at igalang ang karapatan ng bawat isa. Yan naman, ito ay panawagan sa atin para pagpatuloy na protektahan ang ating kalikasan sapagkat tayo ay magkakaugnay.